Let's look at this question. Determinants are used to show that 3 points lie on the same line. If 3 points lie on the same line, we say they are collinear. If here we have 3 points, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. If we then calculate the determinants in this form, if the answer is 0, then we can claim that these 3 lines are on the same line. Okay, so that's one of the application for determinants. First of all, we need to know how to calculate. This is 3 by 3. 3 row, 3 columns. Determinant, how we are going to find it. Okay. If here the determinant value is not 0, then we can claim that those 3 points are not collinear. Now, let's first put those given 3 points, 1, 2, 3, put those 3 points into this matrix. That will be -4, 7, first point here, 0, 8, 0, 8, -20 here, and -67 here. Now, how we are going to calculate the determinants? We first copy the first 2 columns right here. You see -4, 0, -20 here, -7, 8, -67 here. Then we calculate 3 multiplications, which is -4 times 8 times 1. That's the first one, which equals -32. The second multiplication is -7, 1, -20. You put right here. The answer is 140. The third one in this diagonal, which is 1 times 0 times -67 right here. Since there is a 0 over there, then it crashes the whole answer. This part will be 0. Then we calculate another 3 products. That's 1 times 8 times -20. 1 times 8 times -20. And then -4 times 1 times -67. -4 times 1 times -67. And then we do -7 times 0 times 1, the last diagonal. So -7, I should write -7 here. Okay, yeah, okay. So then you want to do the 3 products upstairs, subtract 3 products downstairs. Okay, those 2 are 0, that's fine. And then we have a negative here, so we got positive. Subtract, there are 3 negatives in total, so it's -268. -268 and another -34 gives us 300 negative. 140 plus 160, those 2 are positive. So you have a positive 300. Positive 300, subtract another 300 here. Or you may say add -300. you have the final answer is 0 for this determinant. Then it tells us that 1, 2, 3 points are collinear. Okay, so you may put your answer right here. The 3 points are collinear. Okay, now this is calculated by hand. We have a TI-84 here, and we want to calculate this matrix, the determinant, by our calculator. When you turn on your calculator, you see that's normal screen. You want to do is second this bottom x to the -1. The above is what? Is matrix. You want to click on this bottom. Then you move your cursor to edit. This is the one. Move here, okay? And then you can either click 1, 2, 3, 4. If you click 1, that will be, we are working on matrix A. You can click either 1 or enter. Okay, this one tells you that we are working on A. But right now is that when you do the second matrix, you first want to input your answer, your data into matrix. So you want to do is edit and then click on 1. So in this case, it goes is a 1 by 1 matrix. But here is 3 by 3, so you want to change your number. Change the number from 1 to 3, and then you move here, click another 3, and then hit the enter. So it gives you 3 by 3. And then you can input negative sign, not subtraction. So you put negative, and then 4, hit enter. So it goes -4 goes here. Then the cursor is right here. You want to input -7. Okay, -7. You hit enter again, and here is 1. Enter again. Here is 0. Enter, and then 8. Enter, and then 1. Enter. And then you input -20. You hit enter, and -67. Hit enter, and last one is 1. Okay, double check. -7, -4, -7, 1 on the first row here. 0, 8, 1, 0, 8, 1 here. And -20, -67, and 1. So you have your matrix A ready. Okay, then you can get out of this place by clicking on second quit. Okay, then you may do some math here. That will be second matrix, and then you do some math here. Okay, you can see number 1 is DET, stands for determinant. Okay, so you click on either 1 or enter, both works. You click on 1, and then you want to put your matrix A here. That will be second matrix. and then you can click on one or enter, and then close bracket. Okay, so here they will find out determinant for matrix A. Not yet. You click on enter, it will give you 0. You see 0 over there. Okay, you may rewind this video and then see where the place you might missed. All right, that's the way to calculate the determinant of the matrix. One more time here, if you have your input, your answer input ready, you always want to work on your matrix, second matrix. Okay, that's important. Second matrix. Then you can either do the math to calculate determinant, or you may add it. A, B, C. You can work on any matrix, and then you do the calculation, math, find out determinant. There are other things you may do with the matrix, but right now we just need to calculate determinant. All right, that's why TI-84. All right, I'll see you next time.